Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How the mind comes to know that there is a soul.
By taking lesson from professors who has mind clear. Why the students are coming to you? Because his mind is not clear. You have to clear his mind. By teaching him psychology, feeling, thinking, feeling, willing. Therefore he has to come to a learned man who knows how to understand mind, how to understand the activities of the mind, how to deal with them. That requires education. A dog cannot take this education, but a human being can take. Therefore, it is the duty of the human being how to control the mind. Not act like cats and dogs. That is human being. He should be inquisitive. Why this happening? Why this happening? And he should take education. That is human life. And if he does not inquire, if he does not take education, then what is the difference between him and the dog? He remains a dog. He has got this opportunity of human life. He should take advantage of understanding what is what. Not to keep himself in the dog status, simply eating, sleeping, sex life and defending. That is the distinction between dog and human being. If he does not become inquisitive, how to control the mind? He is not even human being. And dog never inquires. Dog knows that when I bark, people become disturbed. He will never ask how to control this barking habit. Because he is dog. He cannot do that. A human being can do that. People hates me. I do something wrong. How to control my mind? That is human being. That is the difference between human being and dog. Therefore, Vedic injunction is, go and inquire. You have got this human form of life. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. Now this is the time for inquiring about the soul. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigachet. If you want to understand this science, then go to proper guru and take lessons from him. The same thing as we instruct our children, if you want to be educated in the higher status of life, go to school, go to college, take lessons. That is human society. The dog's father will never ask the dog, child, go to school. No, they are dogs.
Universities nowadays don't teach any courses in the nature of the soul.
Therefore he says, what is wrong if I become a dog? Because there is no education. He does not know the difference between dog and the human being. Therefore he says, what is wrong if I become a dog? I'll get more facility for sex without any criminal charges. This is the advancement of education.
How does the mind then come to know that there is a soul?
And that I said, that you have to educate it. How these people are convinced about the soul. They have been educated. By practice and by knowledge. Everything has to be learned by being educated. Therefore the Vedic injunction is tad vijnanatham. You have to know that science. Guru meva vigachet. You must go to Guru, teacher. So the answer is that you must go to the teacher who can teach you how the soul is there.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.